Trish, and you're watching Tips from Trish. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to share with you my favorite baking recipe substitutes. I really like to bake yummy things at home, and to make myself feel a little bit better about it, I like to swap ingredients. My two favorite baking substitutions are applesauce and coconut oil. Applesauce I use in place of vegetable oil, and coconut oil I use in place of Crisco or shortening. Both are one-to-one substitutions, so they're really easy to get right and are super yummy in whatever you want to bake. You can't always have a perfect day or a completely healthy recipe or a perfect life, but sometimes by making one or two small adjustments, you'll find more fulfillment, more happiness, and more good feelings. So try these substitutions or your own healthy changes today. Today, I'm gonna bake sugar cookies, but I'm gonna use coconut oil in place of the Crisco that the recipe normally calls for. I hope it turns out great. Stick around and find out. And this recipe comes from allrecipes.com. The change that I'll be making is using coconut oil instead of shortening. The other ingredients are cane sugar, butter, vanilla extract, eggs, baking powder, salt, we're all gonna help.
Okay. Oh. Now look, when it's almost in a perfect shape, I like doing this. I'm going to get it around now. How could it fall apart?
Okay, that's great.
Mom has to try one too. She needs to make sure we're not.
How long are you gonna cook it for?
We're gonna check them in 10 minutes, but in 5 minutes, I'm gonna rotate them, switch the top for the bottom, and turn them around.
What are you cooking them at?
They are at 350.
Hey, do another one.
I have a lot more to do.
Oh, good.
Don't worry, I'll just burn my hands. It's all
You're
for the
doing
sake of the cookie.
You're doing great. I did it all for the cookie. The cookie.
We successfully made sugar cookies substituting coconut oil for shortening with this recipe we used from allrecipes.com. I'll put a link below if you want to check out this specific one. The cookies are delicious. They don't have Crisco shortening in them, which makes me happier about making them. I think it was an all-around success. I'm really happy I got to make cookies today, and now I will share them with my friends and family for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check me out again on Tips from Trish.